Historical origin. The first jeans were created by Levi Strauss in 1873 as strong work pants for miners during the California Gold Rush. Originally, they were made of very durable canvas and later denim, reinforced with copper rivets. Main material. A typical pair of jeans requires about 1 kilogram of cotton. The quality of the cotton directly affects the durability and feel of the garment. Global production. China, India, and Bangladesh are the largest producers of denim in the world. The United States is still a major consumer, but mass production mostly happens in Asia. Economic value. The global jeans market is estimated at more than $50 billion per year, with Levi's, Wrangler, and Lee being some of the best-selling and most recognized brands. Popular consumption. Each year, over 1.5 billion pairs of jeans are sold worldwide, meaning almost everyone wears at least one pair per year. Price range. Jeans can cost anywhere from $20 for mass-produced models to more than $500 for special designer editions or limited releases. Style and evolution. Although the basic design hasn't changed much, jeans have gone from workwear to a global fashion symbol. Today there are hundreds of styles: skinny, straight, bootcut, ripped, stretch, and special finishes like stonewash or distressed. Before we dive into the next amazing fact about jeans, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment telling us your favorite style or brand of jeans. Your support helps us bring you more behind-the-scenes stories from the world of fashion. Here's something you might not know. Did you know that a single pair of jeans goes through over 40 different steps from cotton field to finished product? From weaving, dyeing, cutting, sewing, washing, to finishing touches like rivets and embroidery, every step is carefully controlled to create the perfect pair. Now, if you want to see the entire production process up close, from raw cotton to stylish denim jeans ready to wear, you're in the right place. So, let's jump right in and start exploring how your favorite jeans are made. Let's go! Levi's jeans are one of the most famous and long-lasting types of clothing ever made. Their story goes back to the late 1800s. Making a pair of Levi's is not simple. It's a detailed process that goes through many stages, from collecting raw cotton to sewing and finishing the final product. Each part of this journey needs skilled hands and great attention to detail to keep the strong quality that has made Levi's famous. Learning how these jeans are created helps us understand the mix of hard work, technology, and tradition behind every pair. The journey starts with cotton, the main material used to make denim. Cotton grows best in warm regions, and its quality has a big effect on how the jeans will turn out. The cotton used for Levi's is mostly taken from farms in the United States, India, and China, countries known for growing premium cotton. The process begins with planting seeds in well-prepared soil. After a few months, the plants grow and produce soft, white cotton bolls that contain the fibers needed to make denim. When the cotton bolls are ready, they are picked either by hand or with machines. Hand picking is softer on the fibers and keeps them cleaner, but using machines is much faster and cheaper for big farms. After the harvest, the cotton goes through a process called ginning, which separates the fibers from the seeds and any leftover plant material. The cleaned fibers are then pressed into large bales and sent to textile factories for the next steps. At the textile mill, the cotton is processed to turn it into yarn. The first step is called carding, where the fibers are straightened and arranged into a loose rope called a sliver. This helps remove impurities and makes the fibers more even. The sliver is then stretched and slightly twisted to form a thinner strand called roving. Next, the roving is spun into yarn using special spinning machines. During spinning, the fibers are tightly twisted together, which gives the yarn its strength. For denim, the yarn is spun in a way that makes it tough and durable. At this stage, the yarn can also be dyed or treated with chemicals, depending on the type of denim that's being made. Once the yarn is ready, it's woven into denim fabric, a strong cotton twill known for its diagonal lines, made by weaving the weft thread under 2 or more warp threads. Traditionally, denim is made using warp threads dyed with indigo and weft threads that stay undyed. This is what gives jeans their classic blue color on the outside and white on the inside. The fabric is woven on large industrial machines that work at high speed, crossing the threads together to create long sheets of denim. The way the fabric is woven affects its strength and thickness. Heavier denim is used for workwear, while lighter denim is made for regular jeans that are softer and easier to wear. After weaving, the fabric is often sanforized, a process that pre-shrinks the denim so it doesn't shrink later when washed. Once the denim fabric is ready, The next step is cutting and sewing the jeans. It all starts with pattern making, where paper or digital templates show the exact shape of each part of the jeans, like the front and back panels, pockets, and waistband. These patterns help save fabric and make sure every pair is the same size. The denim is spread out in several layers, and the patterns are placed on top. Then, cutting machines or workers with precision tools cut the fabric into all the needed pieces. The cut parts are grouped together and sent to the sewing section, where skilled workers stitch them into jeans. This stage includes sewing seams, adding pockets, and strengthening key areas with rivets or special stitches called bar tacks. Levi's jeans are famous for their solid build, and many of their original details, like double-stitched seams and copper rivets, are still used today to keep them strong and long-lasting. After sewing, the jeans go through finishing steps to get their final style and texture. One of the most important steps is washing and creating worn effects. Freshly sewn jeans are usually stiff and very dark blue, so washing makes the fabric softer and adds color variations. Different techniques are used to get different looks. For example, stone washing tumbles the jeans with pumice stones to give them a worn look, while enzyme washing uses natural agents to soften the fabric and create a lighter color. Other methods like sandblasting, laser etching, and hand scraping are used to make faded or distressed effects. Many jeans go through several washes and treatments to reach the exact style designed by the brand. During the finishing stage, buttons, zippers, and labels are also attached. Quality control is very important in making Levi's jeans. At every step, from checking the fabric to the final sewing, the jeans are inspected for any mistakes or defects. Inspectors look at the stitching, seams, and overall construction to make sure each pair meets Levi's high standards. Any jeans with problems are repaired or removed from production to maintain quality. Once approved, the jeans are pressed, folded, and packed, ready to be shipped to stores around the world for customers to buy. Making Levi's jeans is not just about producing clothing. It is about combining skill, technology, and attention to detail to create a high-quality product. It also includes attention to sustainability and ethical practices. In recent years, Levi's has worked to reduce its environmental impact by using water-saving techniques during dyeing and finishing. For example, the company has developed innovative waterless methods, which significantly cut water usage in denim production. Levi's also aims to use more sustainable cotton, such as organic or recycled cotton, to reduce reliance on traditional farming that often uses large amounts of pesticides. The company promotes fair labor practices as well, working only with suppliers who follow strict ethical standards. This ensures safe working conditions and fair wages for factory workers. The story of Levi's jeans is a mix of tradition and innovation. While the basic process of making denim has stayed mostly the same for over a century, new technology and changes in consumer demand have led to new techniques and styles. From the cotton fields to the factories where denim is cut and sewn, every step in making Levi's jeans shows a commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Whether it's the classic 501s or modern stretch denim, each pair carries a legacy of durability, style, and cultural importance. Understanding how these jeans are made not only gives a greater appreciation for the product, but also highlights the close connection between agriculture, industry, and fashion. Levi's jeans are more than just clothing. They are a symbol of skill, effort, and timeless design that has shaped fashion around the world. Denim has come a long way from its origins as durable workwear. Today, jeans are not just practical clothing, they are a global fashion statement. Designers around the world continuously experiment with styles, cuts, and colors to create unique looks that appeal to every generation. Skinny, straight, bootcut, and wide-leg jeans are just a few of the popular silhouettes that dominate the fashion market. In addition to traditional blue denim, new colors like black, white, gray, and pastels have become widely popular. Many brands also use fading, distressing, and ripped designs to give jeans a vintage or edgy look. Special collaborations between high-fashion designers and denim brands bring limited edition styles that sell out quickly, showing how jeans have moved from utility to trend-driven luxury. Streetwear culture has further influenced denim, with oversized jackets, cargo pants, and patch designs becoming popular among young people. Celebrities and social media influencers play a major role in setting trends, making certain cuts, washes, or brands instantly desirable. Global markets continue to grow, with consumers looking for both style and comfort. Stretch denim, eco-friendly fabrics, and tailored fits meet the demand for versatility in everyday life. Jeans are no longer just pants, They are a way for people to express their personality, taste, and lifestyle. Understanding the evolution of denim in modern fashion helps us appreciate how a simple workwear fabric has become a symbol of creativity, culture, and personal style around the world. In recent years, the denim industry has shifted its focus towards sustainability and innovation. Consumers are now more conscious of the environmental impact of their clothing, and brands are responding with eco-friendly practices. Many companies, including Levi's, have adopted water-saving techniques in the dyeing and finishing processes, dramatically reducing water usage. Innovations like waterless technology, enzyme washes, and recycled fabrics are becoming standard in denim production. Sustainable denim not only benefits the environment, but also improves working conditions for laborers. Ethical practices ensure that factory workers receive fair wages and operate in safe environments. By combining tradition with innovation, manufacturers can maintain the quality and durability of jeans while minimizing harm to the planet. Technology also plays a vital role in modern denim production. Advanced machines now handle cutting, stitching, and embroidery with incredible precision, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Laser and chemical treatments allow designers to create custom washes and patterns without the need for excessive manual labor. Consumer demand for sustainable and stylish jeans continues to grow. Stretch denim, organic cotton, and limited edition eco collections are popular worldwide. This trend demonstrates how fashion can evolve responsibly, balancing style, quality, and environmental impact. Understanding the sustainable side of denim production adds a new layer of appreciation for each pair of jeans. From eco-friendly fabrics to innovative techniques, today's jeans reflect a commitment to both fashion and the planet, showing that even timeless clothing can embrace the future responsibly. If you enjoyed learning about the process behind your favorite jeans, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment sharing which part amazed you the most. By understanding the journey of denim, we gain a greater appreciation not just for fashion, but for the people and innovation behind it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more fascinating stories about how everyday products are made. See you in the next video.